তাহলে শুরু করা যাক। আজকে আমরা একজন বিখ্যাত ব্যক্তির জীবন নিয়ে আলোচনা করব, লিওনার্দো দ্য ভিঞ্চি। এই বিখ্যাত আর্টিস্টের জীবন সম্পর্কে আজকে আমরা এখন জানব। লিওনার্দো দ্য ভিঞ্চি ওয়াজ one of the greatest persons produced by the Renaissance of Italy. He was born in 1452 in the Republic of Florence, Italy. He was a great Italian painter, sculptor, architect, draftsman, and engineer. He was the first to give an idea about blood circulation in human body. It was Leonardo who first conceived the idea of parachute, helicopter, tank, and submarine. He had much knowledge on optics, anatomy, botany, geography, astronomy, biology, and physiology. In fact, he was a versatile genius. He was many in one. The notebooks of Leonardo are also very famous. Here we find drawings and notes on various subjects, including anatomy, cartography, painting, and paleontology. Leonardo da Vinci showed his artistic talent from his childhood. He learned painting from the great master Andrea del Verrocchio, a famous painter of the time. He had an insatiable thirst for knowledge. He often visited hospitals, graveyards, churches, and busy marketplaces to gather knowledge about human life and behavior. He thought that art and life are the two sides of the same coin. They are inseparable. He made experiments with the techniques of oil paintings. Leonardo was famous for mainly three paintings. Number 1, The Last Supper. Number 2, Madonna. Number 3, Mona Lisa. The Last Supper is one of the most famous paintings of Leonardo. It took 3 years to paint these pictures. It is a masterpiece of Renaissance art. In this picture, we find that Jesus is surrounded by his disciples. In fact, this picture shows Jesus in his Last Supper, in which he shares his meal with his disciples before execution. The anxiety of their faces is clearly visible in this painting. This expression makes this painting world famous. Madonna is another famous painting by Leonardo da Vinci. This painting depicts Virgin Mary breastfeeding her baby Jesus. This picture shows proportion and symmetry, which are the hallmark of Vinci's art. This picture is now preserved in Hermitage Museum, St. Petersburg, Russia. Mona Lisa is a masterpiece of the Renaissance art. It is said to be the painting of an Italian noblewoman, Lisa Gherardin, who was the wife of a nobleman. The painting is famous for the enigmatic and mysterious smile and expression of the lady's face. There are some other paintings also, and some of them are: Number 1, Salvator. Number 2, Lady with an Ermine. Number 3, Saint John the Baptist. Number 4, Virgin of the Rocks. It is unfortunate that most of his paintings are lost. Some of his valuable paintings are found in Royal Library, Windsor Castle, London. Leonardo spent his last 3 years in France. This great artist passed away in 1519 in France at the age of 68. That's all from me. I can hope that you have liked my video. If you like it, you may share and subscribe it. And if you want to watch my videos, go to the YouTube and write English with R.H. Mondal. Then you will get all my videos, and from my videos you will be able to learn spoken English, English grammar and vocabulary. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you for being with me. Thank you all. Have a good day. Bye.